Welcome to WWP Genetics. We're thrilled to have you join us for another engaging and informative video. Today we will be discussing understanding secondary nutrients, the role of magnesium, sulfur, and calcium in plant health. When it comes to optimizing plant health and growth, secondary nutrients like magnesium, sulfur, and calcium play critical roles. Though they are required in smaller amounts than primary nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, their significance in metabolic functions, structural development, and overall plant vigor cannot be overstated. Let's take a closer look at the functions, deficiencies, and management of magnesium, sulfur, and calcium as vital secondary nutrients. Magnesium is the powerhouse of photosynthesis. Magnesium is an essential mobile nutrient that serves as the central atom in every chlorophyll molecule, making it indispensable for photosynthesis. Its primary functions include aiding the absorption of light energy, activating enzymes, and assisting in the synthesis of carbohydrates and sugars that are eventually transformed into flowers, fruits, and seeds. Magnesium deficiencies commonly manifest during the flowering and fruiting stages, when the plant's nutrient demand is at its highest. Early symptoms often begin with interveinal chlorosis, yellowing between the veins, on older and middle-aged leaves. As the deficiency progresses, rusty brown spots may appear on the leaf tips and margins, eventually causing leaves to die and fall off. This can lead to stunted growth and reduced yields if left unaddressed. Magnesium deficiencies are often linked to soil imbalances or environmental factors, high potassium or calcium levels. These combine magnesium in the soil, making it unavailable to plants. Acidic or overly wet soils. These conditions restrict root uptake of magnesium. Hydroponic systems. Magnesium depletion can occur due to improper nutrient solution balance. To correct magnesium deficiencies, use Epsom salts. Spray a 2% solution of magnesium sulfate every 4-5 days to provide a quick foliar boost. Dolomite lime. Incorporate finely ground dolomite lime into acidic soils to stabilize pH and provide magnesium. Hydroponic adjustments. Ensure magnesium is included in the nutrient solution and maintain proper EC levels. Sulfur is the building block of proteins. Sulfur is a semi-mobile nutrient critical for protein synthesis, enzyme activation, and the development of vitamins such as thiamine and biotin. It also plays a key role in forming essential oils and flavors, particularly in crops like onions, garlic, and cannabis. Sulfur is necessary for the formation of cysteine and methionine, two amino acids integral to plant growth and health. Although sulfur deficiencies are uncommon, due to its presence in many fertilizers, they can occur under specific conditions. Symptoms include young leaves turning lime green to yellowish, with growth stunted, leaf veins yellowing and lacking succulence as the deficiency worsens, leaf tips burning, darkening and curling downward, woody stems and long purple streaks along stems, often signaling an acute nutrient imbalance. Sulfur deficiencies often stem from high EC levels. Excess salts can disrupt sulfur uptake. Rising soil, pH. This can reduce the availability of sulfur and phosphorus. Leaching. Sandy soils or heavy rainfall can wash sulfur away, especially in outdoor systems. Management and solutions. Fertilizers with sulfate. Use ammonium sulfate, potassium sulfate, or magnesium sulfate to provide sulfur in an accessible form. Leach excess salts. If sulfur toxicity occurs, leach the soil heavily with plain water to flush out excess salts. Control pH levels. Maintain an optimal pH range, 5.5, 6.5, to ensure sulfur availability. Calcium, the structural backbone. Calcium is essential for cell wall formation, structural stability, and overall plant health. It serves as a signaling molecule that helps plants respond to environmental stress and regulates the uptake of other nutrients. Cell wall development. Calcium strengthens cell walls by forming calcium pectate, which binds cells together. Nutrient transport. It assists in the movement of nutrients and water within the plant. Root development. Promotes healthy root systems by encouraging cell division. Stress resistance. Helps plants withstand stress caused by environmental factors such as drought or salinity. Calcium deficiency tends to appear first in the younger tissues of plants, since calcium is immobile and cannot be redistributed from older tissues. Symptoms include young leaves curling or becoming distorted, brown or necrotic spots on leaf edges, often referred to as tip burn, weak stems and poor root development, blossom end rot in fruits like tomatoes and peppers, where the bottom of the fruit turns brown and rots, reduced resistance to pests and diseases due to weaker cell walls. Causes of deficiency include acidic soils. Calcium becomes less available in highly acidic conditions. Leaching. Heavy rainfall or over-irrigation can wash calcium out of the soil. High levels of other nutrients. Excess potassium, magnesium, or sodium can compete with calcium uptake. Low transpiration rates. Poor environmental conditions, for example, high humidity, can reduce calcium transport in plants. Solve your calcium deficiency with lime application. Use agricultural lime, calcium carbonate, to raise soil pH and supply calcium. Calcium fertilizers. Apply calcium nitrate or calcium sulfate, gypsum, for quick calcium availability. Foliar sprays. In cases of rapid deficiency, foliar applications of calcium chloride can be effective. Improve drainage. Avoid waterlogged soils, which can limit root activity and calcium uptake. Calcium, magnesium, and sulfur are often grouped as secondary nutrients because they are required in moderate quantities compared to nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. They work together to promote healthy plant development. Calcium ensures strong cell walls and efficient nutrient transport. Magnesium facilitates photosynthesis and energy production. Sulfur aids in protein synthesis and flavor production. Maintaining a balance among these nutrients is crucial, as excesses or deficiencies in one can impact the others. Regular soil testing, proper fertilization, and monitoring environmental conditions are key to ensuring secondary nutrient availability. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you found today's video informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay updated on our latest content. For more exciting insights, be sure to check out our brother channel at WWP Logistics. See you in the next video.